this video, I will show you how to get a job at Frappe. So what you need to do for this is you need to go over to your browser and then just type in Frappe and then jobs and then click on enter. And then you will see this option careers at Frappe and then you need to click on this. Once you do this, you need to scroll all the way down and there you will see this option to explore positions. So let's go ahead and click on this. And from here, you can see the open positions at Frappe. And right now we have software engineer, enterprise ERP consultant. And if you see the job that you want to apply for, then go ahead and click on that job and then go to the application process. But if your job is not listed in here, then you can also scroll down all the way and then apply for a job as streamer. And this says that, do you have a vision to contribute to Frappe? We are always looking for motivated visionary candidates who can help us to be the creator of the best products and services in the world. So this is a sort of open job application. And once you click on this, you can just go ahead and click on apply for this role and then also look for everything that they are looking for. And if it matches, go ahead and click on apply for this role. And then you need to enter your full name, email, mobile number, resume link, your source, and what you're passionate about. What is the coolest thing you've ever done? And why do you want to join Frappe? And your expected salary annual. And then you need to click on I'm not a robot and click on save. And then you will be able to send this job application. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.